Friday evening. I'm Christy Casciano.
I'm Jeff Kulikowski. Quite a stir today at Pine Grove Middle School in the ESM district. Parents filing in to sign their kids out of school after getting a note from the principal of a bag of ammunition found in a bathroom.
News Channel 9's Kendra Brodus learns more from the superintendent and Manlius Police.
It was a midday pickup for some students, prompted by a message sent to Pine Grove Middle School parents, reading in part, quote, "Today, a bag of ammunition was discovered above a ceiling tile in a bathroom at Pine Grove Middle School. We appreciate that the individuals that discovered the bag immediately turned it over to the school special patrol officer. Those individuals being students who found a sandwich bag of what Manlius Police believed to be live rounds of ammo. Both police and the school emphasizing that at no time was anyone in danger."
This was in a situation where there was a threat or a conversation of a threat or kids coming forward or staff coming forward to identify any kind of threat situation. There was no abnormal behavior or situations within the school.
Regardless, some parents still chose to pull their kids from school.
I would say that any time that parents come to pick up their children during the school day, there's a process and there's a procedure. If there is something that elevates their concern to pick up their children, then we're following that process. And quite honestly, both our parents and our students followed a process that was really quite orderly.
For those students who remained, they were assured of their safety.
At that time, we had both school patrol officers, administrators, and counselors going to the classrooms to alleviate any concerns so that people would know that there was not the presence of any danger in the building.
The investigation is ongoing, and anyone with more information on the incident is encouraged to reach out to Manlius Police. In Manlius, Kendra Brodus, News Channel 9.